In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block every single adult content or 18 plus content in your Google Chrome or into your browsing experience. First, I want you to head inside your Chrome application and then click the three-dotted icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, I want you to scroll a little until you see the Settings tab. Inside the Settings, we will see a series of tabs here, and I want you to focus on Privacy and Security and then click it. This will guide you into the security and privacy options of your account. Now I want you to click the Security here, then scroll until you see the DNS provider. Now I'm gonna choose Clean Browsing, or you must choose Clean Browsing for the family filter. This browsing DNS will block every single adult content or 18 plus content that you might encounter in your browsing experience or while browsing. And that's how you can block adult content or 18 plus content into your Google Chrome. And thank you for listening.